It's a 2018 Audi Q5. It's time to step up to a luxury crossover that answers your demand for elegance, technology, and safety. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Auto shift manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, Bluetooth streaming audio, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver reports all the Q5s come with electrically assisted power steering that actually has a sufficient amount of feedback for an SUV. When you drive an Audi, the design and the performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. Take it for a test drive today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.